Test, test, testing. Alright, I'm testing the DJI mic with the drone, seeing if it can cancel out some of the drone propeller sounds. Come on, a little electronic dog, follow me. Let's tour the aquariums. Getting some sound check in a very small space. Same test as before, but I'm using the pure setting on the noise reduction, seeing if there's any difference in cutting down the sound of the propellers. Come on, little electronic dog. Let's check out the aquariums again, this time using the pure noise reduction. Oops. Okay, going to do a little sound test with the Neo drone. This is a DJI lapel mic that's supposed to be able to reduce the sound of the drone's propellers as it follows me around. So let's go get the male little electronic flying dog. We'll do a little tour of the aquariums here, get a sense of the noise reduction. Being up close to the aquarium, see if you can get the aquarium sound. Out into the wind. Let's open up the door. I got some wind. See if you can follow me, little buddy. See what it sounds like. It's up. See if we can get a little bit of the cat here. The little kitten loves the flying creature, right? What do you think about that, kitty? It's pretty breezy, so this little guy's doing well. My little electronic dog. Here's a little breeze for you to battle. It's like a little dog, and I'm testing a mic. Oh, it drives the dogs crazy. Humans can't hear it very well, but the doggies can. Oh, there's a little male. Can't pick it up yet. All right, all the mailboxes. There's a little mail. Getting the mail sound test. Since their mailman is still dropping off the goods, I'm just going to turn around and make this a little quick audio test without actually grabbing the mail. Let's see how this works. I'm going to do some walking around Mexico and catching all mail. It's a little easy, so it's videos back in the breeze and trees, so it's challenging with the colors. I can hear them struggling. Even if the noise reduction cancels out the sound, numbers, changing speeds. They go up, whatever. Alright, did a quick little battery switch out. Continuing the saunter home after walking to the mailbox to find out they're still dropping off the mail. It's getting a little challenged by the wind, but otherwise it's a good little dog. Yeah, a little dog that records. I like to pick up what she said. She said it's pretty amazing navigating this wind. That's pretty crazy. That's like a little 15, 20 mile gust. So I'm impressed if it does a good job canceling out just the sound of the drone. So I can get a little shot of its shadow. It does a good job canceling out the sound of the drone. I'm going to be impressed with that, and equally impressed with its ability to manage this gusty air. That poor little thing's getting blown around pretty hard. It's probably doing some sort of image stabilization. Sorry, buddy, not yet. Here comes a car. I'm gonna have to wait. This is getting up. Wind's a little bit much, isn't it? That's a good cross over. Come on, left right flying yard up. Here comes the car, so wait. Doing pretty well on the breeze there, little buddy. Doing a good job tracking. Testing if it blocks the sound as I walk around it all the way. See how it does in the breeze here. Yes, puppy. Come on over here, buddy. Don't hit the post. Let's do this together. Very good. Come back up now. Come on. Come on. You got this, little pilot, buddy. Come on. Whoop. Yeah, very nice. That's close enough.